Hello everyone, welcome back to the Healthy Friends channel. This channel discusses all about health. I hope may we all always be in good health. In this video, I want to talk about 12 signs of cancer in women. We all sometimes experience common signs and symptoms such as pain and fever. If you can't easily explain these symptoms, you can easily set them aside. However, some of these cancer signs that women cannot ignore may indicate cancer. So, it is important to know what they are and perhaps a little more attention should be paid. Being aware of these symptoms does not mean that you have cancer, but it may be time to see a doctor. Take a look at the top 12 early warning signs for women. Number 1. Bloating. Many women sometimes feel bloating, especially due to hormonal changes during the menstrual cycle. Hormones cause women to bloat naturally, so you can wait a week to see if the bloating disappears. However, if you continue to feel full and have other signs of weight loss or unexplained bleeding, see your doctor. A constant feeling of fullness can be a sign of breast, ovarian, uterine, pancreatic, colon, or gastrointestinal cancer. Number 2. Unexplained bleeding. Women do expect to bleed during menstruation, but if there are spots or bleeding during menstruation, they indicate endometrial cancer, a type of cancer that affects the endometrium. Also, be careful not to have blood in your urine or stool. Blood in the urine may be an early sign of bladder cancer. Urine can be orange, pink, or even dark red, but it can also be a slight drip of blood. Bloody stools may be a sign of colon cancer. Number 3. Unexpected weight loss. Many women want to lose weight, but unexpected weight loss is not a good sign for no apparent reason. May be a sign of colon cancer, liver cancer, pancreatic cancer, esophageal cancer, or leukemia. Number 4. Skin irregularities. Skin cancers such as melanoma are becoming an increasingly serious problem. Therefore, if you notice skin changes such as unhealing pain or new growth, it can be a source of concern. Mole with altered, raised, or irregular jagged edges should be examined by a doctor to determine if they are a sign of cancer. Number 5. Trouble swallowing. Seek medical attention if you have problems swallowing food or drink, which is accompanied by weight loss and occasional vomiting. Signs of these cancers may indicate stomach cancer, thyroid cancer, or lung cancer. If the lymph nodes appear swollen or feel soft, they may be a sign of another type of cancer. In general, check the lymph nodes in the neck under the armpits, above the collarbone, and near the chin before seeing a doctor. Number 6. Breast changes. Breast cancer self-examination remains one of the main lines of defense against breast cancer. Women should definitely feel lumps, but they should also notice other changes such as unexpected tenderness and swelling, nipple pitting and swelling, and slight skin discoloration. All of these can be signs of breast cancer. Seek medical attention if you have any of these signs. Number 7. Mouth changes. If herpes labialis appears in your mouth and is not caused by biting your cheeks, it can be a source of concern, just as herpes labialis does not heal. Look for white or red spots on the cheeks, gums, or tongue in the mouth. Swelling and numbness are also not normal. All of these signs may indicate oral cancer and you should see a doctor. Also, most dentists are currently screening for oral cancer on a regular basis, so visit your dentist regularly. Number 8. Chronic cough. Colds, allergies, and indirect smoking can cause us all to cough, but if the cough doesn't go away and you're excluding respiratory infections and other problems, it may be time to look your doctor. Also, be aware of changes in your cough. Coughing hoarseness or even producing mucus or even blood. Number 9. Fever. Many people are unaware that fever is a common sign of cancer, especially blood cancer. When these cancers spread from their original location, the body tries to fight the disease with heat. It's important to note that fever itself is not an indication of cancer, but if you feel fever for no real reason, talk to your doctor. Number 10. Fatigue. If you get enough sleep and are relatively less stressed, but still feel tired, it may be a sign of cancer. Many cancers release substances called cytokines that are thought to cause fatigue. Number 11. Heartburn. Many people suffer from heartburn, but these signs are usually also the first signs of esophageal or stomach cancer. Seek medical attention if you continue to have heartburn as well as food, or if you have swallowing problems. Number 12. Pain. Chronic pain affects millions of people and is usually not a sign of cancer. However, persistent pain of unknown cause may indicate that a bone or brain tumor has spread. Abdominal pain can be a sign of pancreatic cancer, especially if it occurs in the family. Seek medical attention if you have unexplained pain that lasts for more than a month. Chronic pain affects millions of people and is usually not a sign of cancer. However, persistent pain of unknown cause may indicate that a bone or brain tumor has spread. Abdominal pain can be a sign of pancreatic cancer, especially if it occurs in the family. Seek medical attention if you have unexplained pain that lasts for more than a month. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. If you find this video useful, please share this video on your social media sites, Facebook, Google, or Twitter. We hope you are always in good health.